All right, let's turn things over to Ray Petelin, who has a check of the forecast for us right now. What's going on out there?
Well, we wrapped up most of our rain.
Good.
And the evening is looking pretty good. You still can't rule out maybe one little tiny pop-up, still trying to develop, but I think we're pretty good in most cases for the rest of the evening. And look, the storms that we had down to the south, those are the ones that caused the issues with some hail and some gusty winds. A couple of those were considered severe thunderstorms. Those are long gone and have fizzled out, and the rest have too, even the ones up to the north. They did bring some gusts, and one of the things you can see here is a little outflow. You can see those winds kind of pushing out of that storm, so it's just a little weather nerd thing. Sorry. You can see here as we go around the rest of the region, it's looking pretty quiet other than this little thunderstorm coming out of Cambridge, but I think that's going to miss us down to the south. Temperature wise, mid 80s. For most places, you get Ford City, Indiana, Pittsburgh, Washington, Waynesburg, Newcastle even at 85 degrees. So these temperatures are warm. There's a couple spots where it's a little cooler. You get 75 in Oakland, Connellsville 79, but those temperatures will bounce back a little bit here over the next couple of hours. And dry conditions in Pittsburgh, a little shake to the camera. We have this breeze coming out of the west at 12 miles per hour. That's not really doing too much to help with how muggy it feels outside. We have dew points in the mid 60s in many cases, and that's where you start to feel that muggy nature of the air. 49% relative humidity and that 84 degrees in Pittsburgh. Now through the night, we're going to keep the humidity in place. That's not changing. Temperatures by midnight will dip to the lower 70s to the mid 60s by the time we wake up tomorrow morning with fairly quiet conditions through the night. So we've had our storms. They're done. You can see how they just popped up and then popped down. And we're looking a lot drier. A few little spotty areas of activity back in Ohio. Not concerned about that because by the time any of that would even get close, we'll be losing the heat of the day. So Futurecast here shows us what we're dealing with. Quiet conditions through the night, 10, 11 o'clock, mainly clear skies. That'll be the case early tomorrow. Into the afternoon, we can't rule out one of these little pop-up showers or thunderstorms developing again. And then as we go into the evening hours, lose the heat, lose the storms. That's how it'll work Thursday. Friday, a little bit of a different story. We have an area low pressure trying to drop down from Canada. It's not going to make it all the way here, but it's going to provide some support in the upper parts of the atmosphere to pull off a few more of these showers and thunderstorms. So Friday afternoon, a better shot at some of these storms around. Temperatures upper 80s tomorrow. Warm temperatures, partly cloudy skies, and again, just isolated thunderstorm chances. South of the city, temperatures closer to 90 degrees. You get the upper 80s, Washington, Uniontown, and Waynesburg, and you might hit that 90-degree mark in Morgantown. Again, pop-up thunderstorms not out of the question here. Mid to upper 80s off to the east of Pittsburgh, Katanning and Somerset at 87, Greensburg to Indiana, 88 degrees. North of Pittsburgh, we're looking for temperatures generally mid to upper 80s. Spotty shower thunderstorm, but I think the better chances would be south of this area. Next several days, temperatures stay in the upper 80s for Friday. Again, during the afternoon, that's where we start to ramp up the shower and thunderstorm chances. We're going to see them scattered around Saturday and Sunday. And Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, keep in mind, this activity is most likely during the warmer parts of the day, the mid-afternoon portion of the day. So Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, look for that to be the best time for thunderstorms. Monday, 84 degrees, mostly sunny. More storms on Tuesday. You'll notice this whole entire forecast, it's the mid to upper 80s, and little secret, this whole entire forecast, it's going to be muggy. And remember, you can track the storms, the mugginess, the temperatures, anything you want weather-wise with the KDKA weather app. It's available for free in the App Store and Google Play. Just search CBS Pittsburgh.